In order to manage an image gallery, we need to access it from the Gallery Titles section by clicking on the Manage button for that gallery. So for this demo, we're going to manage the gallery that's currently called G1. So I'm going to click that button. That's going to bring me into this gallery. And the first thing that we see is the thumbnail that's associated with the gallery. Let's go out to the actual web page and we'll take a look at that. This thumbnail is the thumbnail that's associated with the gallery called G1. And basically what a thumbnail is it's the image that the user clicks to bring up the gallery. It's not an image that's included in the gallery, it's the thumbnail where you click to access that gallery. Going back to the admin now and looking below the thumbnail area, we'll see the actual listing of gallery images that are in this gallery. Right now there's only one image in here. And before we get started with modifying this gallery, I want to tell you that if you don't have any images in your gallery, I'll go ahead and delete this one image real quickly. And we go back over to the website and refresh. So if you don't have any images in your gallery, you'll see that the thumbnail has gone away. And that's basically just a way to tell you as you're building your page, if you don't have any images in your gallery yet, you won't have a thumbnail to click on. Okay, so we're going to take this gallery that's currently named G1 and we're going to completely rebuild it, including renaming it. So I'm going to go back one step and I'm going to give this gallery a new name. If you want to learn a little bit more about renaming, see the Gallery Titles tutorial for more specific information, but I'm just going to go ahead and name this gallery Fruits, and then I'm going to save that. And you'll see that the button here for management changes to Manage Fruit. And so we'll go ahead and click that button and open it up now. And now this is the fruits thumbnail. So this image doesn't really have anything to do with fruits anymore. So we need to replace the thumbnail image. So let's go ahead and do that by browsing right here. And we'll go ahead and find some images. And let's see here, there's an image that I want to use. That's it right there. Okay. And now we'll go ahead and upload. And now you'll see this is now the new thumbnail image for our fruits gallery. Okay, so next let's start adding some images to the gallery itself. So let's go ahead and we do that down here, and you'll notice that it says select image 1. It knows we don't have any images in, so it wants the first one. So we'll hit this browse button and we'll start adding some images of fruit and hitting upload. So I'm going to do several of these. And as you'll see, as I'm adding the images, little thumbnails of them appear here for our reference. And so we'll keep adding a few more. Now these images need to be JPEG formatted and they can't be any larger than 2 megabytes in size. Okay, so we've got 6 images now inside of our gallery, and you'll notice right here next to each image there's the ability to put a caption or a title in for each image. So let's go ahead and add some captions. So I'll just say simply, this is an apple. Now I need to save, before I go to the next caption, I need to save. It's very important. All the way through SiteProgress, you need to save your work as you go. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save, and then I'll continue. Okay, again, save. And then we'll do this last one. Okay, so now we've saved captions for each of our images. So now let's go see the end result. Let's go back out to the actual web page, and we'll go ahead and refresh the page. And now we'll see that we've got a gallery named Fruits, and here's our thumbnail image. And as you can see, the cursor turns to a hand, and we can go ahead now and click this and view our gallery. So as you can see, the screen fades out in the background, and then we've got an image gallery that allows us to go through and see each image. And again, as you can see, the image gallery will dynamically size to the size of the image that you put in there. And again, now down here we've got our captions, so we can just go through the slideshow of these various images. and it will dynamically resize the viewing area, as I said, to the size of the image. Okay, so that's it. Now we can go back if we want, or we can click out here, which will take us back to the page. Let's go back to the admin and look at a couple other things in terms of management. So again, we have these 6 images. Now we can move the order of these. We don't have to necessarily know the order that we want to have them in when we upload them. We can move them after we've uploaded them by going over here and using these up and down arrows. So let's say that we wanted to make the banana the first image. So I would go ahead and click the up arrow, which would move the banana into the second image slot. Then I'll need to click it one more time to move it into the first image slot. And as you see, the captions move along with the imagery. So now if I go back out and refresh this page, and we go ahead and click on the fruits thumbnail, we'll see now that the banana image is first. So it's that simple to move images around. Of course, if you want to get rid of an image, you can delete it, and then I'll go ahead and delete image number 3, and you'll see now that it is asking for image number 3 instead of image number 7 because it knows that there's a hole. So if we wanted to replace that image, we could then come back in and put a different picture in and then upload that picture, and that would add it to the gallery. So that is management of image galleries. If you have any questions, please feel free to send us an email at support@siteprogress.com.